today. Today I want to make this tutorial to tell you about VideoRobot, this software that I'm using to create different videos, and you can use to make one video agency. For example, this software want to help you to make video for doctors, for dentists, for chiropractors, for car sale agency, for wedding places. And I'm going to share you my screen to show you how you can use this software, how you can create different videos. When you can sell in Fiverr, you can sell for local business or international businesses. And you're going to make the publication in YouTube, and you're going to generate income from different sources. I'm going to share. And here in my VideoRobot dashboard, I'm going to make this video. You can make 3D avatar template, kinetic animation, whiteboard templates, and black canvas. We're going to make these 3D avatar templates. Here you can choose male actors or female. For example, you can make video for all of these: chiropractor, lawyer, wedding, car sale, mechanic, alarm installation, all of these. A page you can choose and make different videos. Okay. Dog trainer, you see? Business installation, window installation, weight loss, yoga training, everything you can make videos inside of this platform. But today I'm going to make one for chiropractors. This is the actor. You can check here making the preview, how she looks like. Coming for the next step, can import the speech. Here to test the audio. Here you can change the voice for male or female. And here you can change different languages: English, Portuguese, French, Germany, Indian, all of these language. You can make video for. You can sell these videos on Fiverr. You can sell for any business, personal business, local business, international business. Here you can put some music, but we don't want to put any music for this tutorial. It's going to take too long. Coming to the next step, here you can put the logo for the company that is requesting the video for you. For this for chiropractic, you can put the logo in the place that the businessman or businesswoman tell to you. Here you put the company name, the name of the chiropractor, and here you can put the phone number. And here you can make the edition of your videos. Text animation, text effect, whiteboard, intro, outro. And here you can change the position of the actor, and you can edit all the content that you're going to put in the dashboard. Here is rendering the video. I'm going to test. That's it. You want more text, you come into the side and put some animation. You can select all of this text. You can put more content to your video. You can see whiteboard, animation, text, more whiteboards. All of this edition you can make. You can make the video 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on the text that you have. And here you put the title. You create the music.
People spend most of their time watching videos over anything else. This is maybe the reason why video marketing has the most success over anything else. But the question is this going to be that easy? Gaining almost 99% of your marketing success would never been easy as ABC. In order to compete in the online market, you have to have high quality and eye-catching videos to get people's attention and convert more sales as possible. So, how can you create one? If you don't have technical skills and advanced technologies, I bet you can't create one. That's why most of the marketers end up paying designers and copywriters. All that takes a big cut out of your margins. But today, you'll see the perfect video platform for that job. Introducing VideoRobot. This is a new and powerful video platform that makes creating videos much easier. It has the most advanced built-in features with more than 200 video templates. Amazing, right? Want to know more? Let's go check this review. Features. Main features. 1. 300 ready-made video templates. Choose from the hottest niches with smart automation and customization tools. 2. Flexible blank video canvas. Design custom 3D explainer, whiteboard, kinetic animation, live action and sales videos from scratch. 3. Maximize reach and engagement. Award-winning text-to-speech with one-click translation to convert global audiences. 4. Commercial license included. Make unlimited videos for your own use or sell to clients. Key features. 1. Effortlessly create videos in multiple formats, live action, whiteboard animation, -3D avatar, presentations and explainer videos, kinetic motion, sales. 2. Includes dazzling special effects to grab attention, powerful logo openers and intros, next generation transitions, multiple eye-catching text effects, compelling call-to-action outros, dynamic animations, stop motion effects, How does it work? It just takes 6 clicks. Super easy, right? I know you won't believe me, because seeing is believing. So, I have something prepared for you below. Demo video, conclusion. Make this an easy decision for you. You have already, in front of you, what you need to scale your revenue. In online marketing, time is so precious, which is why you need to act and decide now. Get your video robot now.